Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. I thought I would do a little daily vlog today. What is my hair doing? But yeah, I haven't done a vlog in a really long time, so I thought we would film a little day in the life today. It's currently Monday morning. Afternoon-ish. I am just about to start tidying the house. I have kind of let the house go a little bit this weekend. I didn't really do much. Didn't upkeep the house very well, so I'm about to tidy everything up and just get going for the day. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys my new Oodie. How cute is this? I am obsessed with it. If you don't know what Oodie is, basically it's a really big, large and in charge blanket, like a wearable blanket pretty much. And I am absolutely obsessed with it. It is so cozy, it is so warm. And it's been a little bit cold here in the mornings and at night in Sydney, so I've just been loving this just for like chilling out in the morning, getting up, having my coffee, and also at night before I go to bed, chilling out watching my TV program. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I love it. Mine is the Winnie the Pooh one. I think this is the Winnie the Pooh Daisy one, but they have a bunch of them as well. They've got plain colors, they've got a bunch of different characters, like Disney characters, and a whole bunch of other characters as well. I think they've got a little Mandalorian one, which was really cute too. So I am obsessed with it. It's got a beautiful like plush inside, so it's super warm and cozy. Great for if you're going into winter or you just want something to snuggle up on the couch with. Super cute. I'm obsessed with it. I also have a little discount code if you guys are looking for a nice comfy wearable blanket. I'll leave the discount code in the down bar and also on the screen here if you want to get a little cheeky discount and pick one up for yourself. But yeah, I love it. They also have little kids ones too, and I really wanted to get one for Archie, but I think he's just a little bit too small at the moment. But when he's bigger, I think I'll pick him up one because I feel like he would love this. He loves like being in his robe and just being cozy. So yeah, but I absolutely love these. Go get yourself one if you want to be nice and comfy. Love it. And also thank you to Oodie for gifting this to me. It's so cute. But like I was saying before, I let my house kind of go in the weekend, so I'm just going to have a little tidy up. I tidied up the lounge pretty much, so the lounge is kind of tidy. There's always toys lying around. I have a toddler. But I need to get this kitchen done as well. I'm also doing a few loads of washing too, so I'm gonna tidy this up now, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. I have a new parcel that I want to show you guys. I got the Lounge Face Lash Mascara, and I'm really excited to try this, so I think I'll do a little, we'll try it out on camera. But how cute is the packaging? I love that. Also, a new addition to the lounge. I'm so excited for this. This is Ollie's Father's Day present I bought him. So it's a little vinyl player, like a portable vinyl player. And it's just gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Look how beautiful it is. I got it off the Iconic. It's from the brand Crosby, but you can close it as well, so it's nice and discreet, or you can keep it open. I personally like it open. It's kind of like a decor piece as well, but Ola is obsessed with it. I just was like struggling to find him a Father's Day present, and then I stumbled across this and I was like, that is not something that he would buy for himself, but I know he would love it. So I picked him up that, and then I also got him the M&M Curtain Call vinyl. This is a double vinyl, so there's two records in here. So yeah, he loves it and I'm super excited about it. I kind of want to build up a little vinyl collection. Like I want to get some like feel good tunes for at home, like just like some Nora Jones, Fleetwood Mac, who else would be quite nice, UB40. I think it's actually a bit later on in the afternoon now. I've just tidied up the kitchen before, which I time-lapsed, so you guys will see that at some point. And yeah, I'm just about to get Archie ready for his bath. He's just finished dinner. What are you doing, dude? Careful. He's turning into such a little boy now, like gets up to so much mischief. Got Pippa over here. I need to fold this washing tonight after I get Archie down. I've also done 2 other loads of washing too, so I'll also get that done. We've got some salmon that I need to cook for dinner. And then yeah, I will also show you guys that mascara as well tonight because I'm super like intrigued in it. It's a tubular mascara. I absolutely love tubular mascaras, so I'm really excited to try it out. And Lauren Curtis always has really beautiful long lashes, and that's the kind of lashes I like too. So I'm hoping it does that to my lashes too. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go get Archie ready for bed. And then I will talk to you guys a little bit later on. We've got Blippy on as per usual. He loves his Blippy. My exposure's really high because it's quite dark in here. Alrighty, so it is now actually 8 o'clock. I just got Archie down to bed. Ella's upstairs making us dinner. We're gonna have salmon for dinner. I am so hungry, but I just wanted to come down here and just quickly show you guys the lounge lash. I really want to try it out. So yeah, again, this is the lounge face lash from Lauren Curtis. She just came out with her own brand, and I am really excited to try this. I'm trying it with like no makeup and stuff because I can't be bothered putting on a shit ton of makeup right now. I am literally about to wash my face and get into my pajamas, so no point, but I really just wanted to try these out. I have a few stray eyebrow hairs, so let's just quickly trim those. I had to try this. I'm always out for a good mascara. I love trying lots of new mascaras. This is a tubular mascara, which is my favorite type of mascara. I love tubular mascaras because one, they don't like smudge under my eyes, and they tend to like kind of not flake off, but like they come off with water really easily. You only need like warm water to take it off, and there is nothing worse than at the end of the day trying to scrub your mascara off. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this. This is what the packaging looks like. How pretty, just nice and light and pink. And also the packaging of like that it actually came in is super cute too. It's like a pretty pink heart. So let's give this a go. This is what the wand looks like here. A nice separating wand. It is a plastic wand, I think. So that's really good for like separating your lashes. So let's give it a go. Alright, so that is one layer. It curls your lashes really well. Like, look how much that just opens my eye. And that's just one layer. It's not clumpy at all, which I also really like. I love a thickening mascara, but I hate when they like completely clump your lashes together. So this is doing a really nice job at separating them too. It almost looks like I have eyeliner on this eye. I don't. I have no makeup on right now. My inner lashes are always a lot longer than my outer lashes for some reason. Alright, so that is like 3 layers. That is so nice. I love that. Look at the difference in my eyes. Oh my god. Right, and that is both of my lashes done. I look like I have eyelash extensions, like natural eyelash extensions. I love this. I absolutely love it. I'm also excited to see how it goes when I have makeup on as well. I feel like it'll look a bit more dramatic too, but on a daily basis, I don't really wear that much makeup, especially since we're in lockdown. But I feel like if I was just to pop some brows on and this mascara, I feel like I'd be ready to take on the day. I'm not going to do my bottom lashes because I'm going to go and wash this off very shortly. But yeah, absolutely love that. Good morning, guys. So it is now actually the next day. I completely just conked out last night after dinner and didn't get much done. Just pretty much went to bed. But yeah, today it is the next day. It is Tuesday and I am so gutted. It hasn't been the greatest start to the day. So last night my laptop broke. Woke up this morning and found out it had broken. So Ella chucked a water bottle on the bed last night and it kind of like landed near the laptop and I didn't think it was open. And then I noticed that there was water on my keyboard and it was open and the water had been like draining through my keyboard. It was working fine last night, like patted it dry and everything, it was fine, it was working, and now it has just completely gone. It doesn't work anymore. It's not even it's not turning on, it's not doing anything. So I've had to go and order a new laptop, which is so annoying because Apple laptops are expensive and they're the only laptops that I like to use. So I've just gone and ordered a new one. It should be coming today. I think I got the same as what I've got already. I'm not sure, it might be like the updated version because I got that one in I think 2018 or 2019. But yeah, it is what it is. We've got one on the way. I'm hoping it comes sort of like this afternoon at some point. Otherwise it's getting delivered today, that's all I know. So yeah, hopefully that arrives soon. But I thought we would just continue the vlog today since we didn't get much yesterday. I've just given Archie his breakfast. He's running around down here making a big mess in his room. What is that? We put his ball pit. What are you doing in there? He's made a big mess in his room with his ball pit. We ended up putting the ball pit in his room because there's just so much stuff. My lounge is like a freaking playground now. So yeah, but my plans for today is I was going to edit a bunch of videos, but since I can't do that right now, we're just going to have a tidy up day. I need to get the washing folded from yesterday. I did a few loads of washing, now I've got to fold that. Tidy up the house, and yeah, just pretty much wait for my laptop to arrive so that I can start editing things again. I'm hoping, I need to look through my camera, I'm hoping that I still have the footage from the videos that was on my laptop. I had about 3 pre-filmed videos that I hadn't edited yet, so I'm hoping that footage is still on my camera so I can pop it onto my new laptop. Hi. But yeah, I'm gonna go and start to get some things done, and I'll come back and vlog a little bit for you guys when I'm doing something a bit more interesting. I'm just going to like brush my teeth, fold a bit of washing, and yeah, fingers crossed my laptop arrives soon. Alrighty guys, so it is now nighttime. I didn't vlog anything today. I think it's just because like I'm in lockdown, not really doing a whole lot lately. I think that's why I haven't been vlogging much lately either. I just don't have anything to vlog about. Some days I sit on the couch all day. Some days I just clean. Every day is different. But yeah, anyway, today I just did some cleaning, did some washing, hung out with Archie, but my laptop has arrived. Yay! Let's do a little unboxing. So what I thought was really cool was JB Hi-Fi doing same day delivery. So I ordered this probably at like 8 o'clock this morning or something, and it arrived today. I mean this afternoon at like 4, I think. So that was really good. Somebody from, I think they're doing like staff members from JB Hi-Fi go and deliver it. So yeah, we got it today, which is so good. I didn't want to have to wait very long for it. And then I have this here. This is the A-Logic Anchor Card Reader Hub. And this is the other thing that I was telling you guys about, just like the little USB port. And it's got a card reader. Hello, Pippa. No, get out. And then it's also got like a few other things in there as well. But I got that. And this is my new laptop. Yay! There's nothing better than opening a new Apple product. So I got the MacBook Air in the gold, which is like a rose gold to me, pinky rose gold look. I wish they had like the gold that they came out with like, I think maybe 3 years ago. They had like an actual gold color and it was so pretty, but they don't have that. I haven't seen it since they released it with, oh, there's the thing. Yeah, I haven't seen it since they came out with it quite a few years ago, but got this one. Honestly, you guys, I was so tempted to get the new monitor screens. Have you guys seen those? Like the coloured ones. They had like a light pink and a light blue, and they were beautiful. But I know that I'll just use a laptop more because I like to watch like the laptop in bed and stuff. So I did just go with the laptop again, but oh, they're so nice. Maybe like one day when I buy my own house, I'll get a monitor screen. But they were so cool. The colours were really awesome. You're ruining my unboxing. I used to have the ones that you like. Oh, what did I do? Oh, there we go. It's so shiny and clean. It's pretty much the exact same as my other one. Oh, shade's nice. I feel like it's slightly darker than my older one. Right. And that is my new laptop. Yay! So excited for that. Anyway, I'm gonna go and
press the return key.
Hold on. Anyway, Archie's just finished his bath. Oh, you got your new onesie on. Cute. Archie's just finished his bath. I'm actually going to end this vlog here because I'm gonna relax. They finally put Hayu on Xbox, so you can like download it on Xbox and watch it on the TV. So I'm gonna sit down, relax, and watch the Kardashians for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of like a weird, sparse kind of vlog, but I just felt like vlogging these past few days, so we did. Hi, my baby. You had a nice bath? Oh, careful. You wanna cuddle? But yeah, I'm gonna go end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go check out Oodie. I will leave the links in the down bar as well as my discount code. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.